Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Police Encounters and Police Cam Encounters. Okay, so many different cop channels. But anyways, the title of the video is Woman's Bad Joke at Airport Security Gets Her Arrested. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about, man.
On February 28, 2023, the Broward County deputies responded to Terminal 1 at Fort Lauderdale Airport after the TSA reported a security alert from a carry-on bag.
That was threatening. You got the bomb in your bag, you missed the bomb in your bag. I said, come we can tell. I said, the way y'all searching me, because y'all was looking for
she said the way y'all searching you would think
the way
she got
y'all searching me. She's twisting what I said. She's twisting what I said.
like 1,000 times.
I said, the way y'all searching me. Why didn't you say every
Just calm down, Buffy. Just calm down.
Because she was
They know, she know that.
Please.
What happened?
Okay, so first of all, I didn't know that she was a 2ID. So she came through, which is, no identification. We have to process them anyway. They checked her bags here. When they checked inside her bags, it alarmed. So once it alarmed, we have to finish our procedures, which was including a pat down and check her bags.
Okay.
So since we had to check her bags, she had to get a pat down. During the pat down, she was doing several movements and stuff. I told, listen, you got to stop doing all that. You got to pat you down regardless. So then it was like, oh, y'all looking for stuff, drugs in my this and that. And I'm like, whoa, what you talking about? We don't even search for drugs. Then she's like, oh, they missed the bomb in my bag. They missed the bomb in my bag. And I'm like, yo, like, and then there's several passengers that was here as well that heard it. So, I mean,
When they were searching, she just searched her like from top to bottom.
the young lady named Central, she's doing she got to do a statement.
You want to? Obviously, I spoke to the TSA supervisor. What's your version? She was doing the pat down.
They had a nasty attitude already since over there, and we were arguing and going back and forth. Her ego was bruised. Now, if I said all this while you pat me down, I have a bomb, this and this, why would you let me walk away if that's what I said?
Exactly.
Come on, her ego is bruised, though, and that's exactly.
You're right, but also it's not their job to grab and hold.
But no. While you patting me down, you could have stopped the pat down if I said I had a bomb in my boot. Like, you see what I'm saying?
So what do you think
got
she
into
heard?
an
What did
argument.
she hear? What do you think?
We got into an argument.
Over the pat down.
Not over the pat down, over the lady just coming over there trying to fake the fuse, but you're making it worse because who are you talking to? You're not my mom. Okay. I don't care. So she going back and forth. We exchange words as I'm walking away. Oh, call them.
Call them.
Call the police.
Okay.
To stop us because my cousin already said we have a fight to catch. She's trying to be funny. Listen.
So
I don't know.
What do you think she heard?
She said that I said I had a bomb.
Right.
And I never said
What
that.
did you say during the course of this interaction?
And like I said, if y'all searching me, because what she did was, start over again. If y'all searching me, y'all would have been found with the bomb. Y'all searching me, literally everything. I don't have, I can pull down I don't have on a bra, I don't have on panties, if y'all was gonna find the bomb, y'all would have found it.
So that's what you said.
Yeah, because she said I tested positive for explosives. That's where it started. Yeah.
The hit
Okay. Yeah, she said I tested positive for explosives. That's what she said.
That's why they had to do the secondary screening, or that's why they had to pull you aside.
But even when my no residue, she said if residue comes back positive again, then they're gonna have to, whatever she said. Yeah, and I said, well, if I had a bomb in my, I found it by now. Don't you think?
Right.
That's what she said. She never said nothing about having a bomb.
Right, and that's why I'm saying she's trying to put his kid on it because her ego's bruised.
Right now we're just waiting for our sergeant to show up and we'll go from there. So you were patting her down? And so tell me about your pat down.
I brought her over here, started her pat down. I was trying to tell her the advisement, so she was cutting me off, saying she don't need to hear it. She's trying to get to her flight. Cassandra had already came because she saw she was already doing the most. And I was telling her, hold her arms up and everything like that. She kept moving, talking, so Cassandra told me to restart the pat down. So once I restarted the pat down.
How many times did you have to restart?
Just once. We only started one time. I was able to do her back, and then once I got to the front, as soon as I got to her stomach, she coughed in my face.
She what?
Coughed in my face. Cassandra was like, oh, so we coughing on people now, that's disgusting. She was just like, yeah, because she don't want to have to get her pat down restarted again. So I finished the pat down. Her, Cassandra kept changing words, but I did hear her say something about, oh, we missed the bomb in her bag.
Okay, so she didn't say it to you. She just kind of said it after you were done with your pat.
No, it was while I think it was while I was on the pat down. While I was doing it, she said it. Oh, yeah, because her friend kept joking. And she was just like,
So, and what did you hear her say?
we missed the bomb in her bag.
Oh, there he is.
All right. So I'm on. Me too. This young lady, and this is the screener right here.
Hey, that's the old timer right there, man. Old timer, probably Sarge or something, you know what I mean? Got the hair slicked back. Listen, when he gotta pop up on the scene, you know somebody going to jail, boy.
Standing here. Came through. Yeah. Her bag, like I said, it alerted. Or whatever. They pulled her aside, they go through the bag, and then they did her pat down over here. She started the pat down, had to restart it at least once because she was making comments on missing her flight, and I do this all the time, moving around. She finished the pat down on the front, on the back first. And she came around, started doing the front, and then she got to her waistline, she kind of coughed on her face, and said she's going to start the pat down again, and she kept it up, because she's late for her flight. And then as she was finishing, she said, she says that she heard her say, well, y'all did this, you missed the bomb in my bag.
Exact words?
That's what she said, yes.
Is it documented?
Even on a statement?
Yeah.
Did you fill out a statement? Do we have, now she's saying that...
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
We get that documented?
I don't have, do you guys have your witness forms? The statement forms, yeah.
Set up my water. It's gonna be 10:15. I can tell you that right now. Okay. 10:15 for her.
Is there a room that we can borrow before we start cuffing them? So she just
The screening room?
just leave the bag and we'll talk to her in there.
Come in.
Oh, yeah.
Where's your bag?
Right here. Okay.
Want to bring?
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
No, don't touch the bag.
We're going to come over here. Ma'am, you want to go in the screening room, right?
Okay, I want to stay inside of my bag though. If y'all about to take my bag, so make sure they don't do that to me.
Do we need a code for this door?
Marisha McDuffie and Yasmin Young. Teresa is Neil on 8. Yamari is
You can have a seat. Rich. Coming in? Alright, here's she's writing out a statement. Alright, based on what she heard, and you are going to be arrested for that.
Arrested for what?
Making a
I did not make a threat. That is not
making
true,
a statement regarding a bomb in your bag.
I did not. I did not say it was a bomb in my bag. That's literally play back the cameras. Even when she didn't even say it was a bomb in my bag.
The young lady that did the pat down said that.
She said I said it was a bomb in my bag.
Said, what she told me was that you said you're all doing this to pat down, and you missed the bomb in my bag.
No, I did not say that. Why she just didn't say that when y'all came up?
I'm just
I said y'all do.
I'm letting you know what she told us. All right, and we have to go on that. All right,
So,
that was the sergeant.
even though I have a witness that literally heard me, did not say that.
But the other thing is somebody else, there's also other employees that heard the same thing.
I never said I had a bomb in my bag, though. I definitely never said that. And if y'all go through my bag, they literally
Well, we know
just
there's.
went through.
Listen, you're on the security side. We know there's no bomb. That's what you said.
I did not say that, though. That's what I'm telling you. I never said that.
So we're gonna need you to.
Can I call my mom, at least?
That from the office. We're gonna take you to the office. You can make your phone call from there. All right. I need you to stand up for me.
Listen, I'm telling you, hey, for you guys that are new, hey, thanks for watching. If you don't stick around, hey, you don't stick around. But for my subscribers, for my people that subscribe, they always want to call their mom, man. I'm telling you, stay tuned, man. We got the Call My Mama merch coming soon, man. I'm telling you, y'all gonna want to cop it. You know what I mean? This is their #1 thing. You hear me?
We'll take all this will come with you. Go with you. Everything will go with you. Just need you to turn around for me.
Can somebody tell my cousin something?
Yes.
Yeah. I gotta get
my numbers, my mom's number, my brother's number, in case I have to get bonded out.
Yes.
This ain't true.
Yeah, you're gonna be able to get bonded. You're gonna be able to bond out, but what we'll do is once we get you in the car and get you to the office, I gotta get her information anyway. She said she was standing there right next to you and she heard it. So I'm gonna get her information anyway, and then once I get the numbers from you, I'll send a picture to her.
Okay.
Okay?
So, what am I being charged with?
I believe, I don't know, I'll have to look at it. I believe it's a false threat of a bomb or explosive. False report of a bomb or explosive.
I'm never gonna say.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.